guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food. Today we're gonna be comparing two chocolate biscuits which are from the same family. They look alike, they have the similar concept, but they are from two very different cookies brand in the market, and they are the Dark Fantasy by Sunfeast. This is the Dark Fantasy Choco Fills, and the second one is the Unibic Choco Cookies. And yeah, this is a Choco Kiss cookie. So both of the biscuits have a similar concept of having chocolate filled inside the cookie, and they feel like a very luxurious cookies, and I'm really excited to try them. Before starting with the video, do subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. So I'll be really honest with you, it is not the first time that I have been trying these two cookies, but it is the first time that I'll be actually comparing them side by side. These are one of my favorite cookies and I keep munching on them from time to time. So guys, let's start with the comparison video. Firstly, talking about their packaging. So both of them come in this cardboard sort of packaging. The Unibic one is slightly a bigger box than this one, but both of them have the same number of biscuits inside them. So yes, that's one point. Dark Fantasy Choco Fills is by the brand Sunfeast, and Sunfeast is a very big brand in the market. Sunfeast has been there since a very long time and it is loved by almost everyone. I personally love the Dark Fantasy, and yeah, it's against the brand Unibic, which is comparatively a newer brand in the market. And I have tried few biscuits and cookies from the Unibic range, and I can say it's a pretty decent brand. Unibic definitely has a chance in the market with the kind of work that they are doing, and I really feel that they have, coped up in the race so fast and so quickly as compared to the others. So yeah, I'm quite excited to see which one is gonna be better. Talking about the amount of product that both of them give, so it has 75 grams of product in it and retails for rupees 30, and as I told you, has 6 packets of biscuit inside this. Unibic also has 75 grams of product in it and also has 6 biscuits in it again, but this one retails for rupees 40. Undoubtedly, Unibic is slightly pricier, like I'll say 25% pricier than the Sunfeast ones. But one point to be noticed here is that usually when I get Unibic, it is almost there on discount at all times. So when I get it from DMart, and I get it at flat 50% off. So ideally I get it at rupees 20 only, which makes it cheaper from the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy. Now both of them are purely veg, and yeah, and both of them have a shelf life of 6 months, which is same for both. Now let's open both of them and see which one tastes better. So it looks like this from inside, and it is the matte packaging. I really like it. These cookies look very luxurious and they are so good to store, like they do not stale soon enough, so they are super easy to store. And let's just open this and see how it exactly looks. Okay, so it's slightly broken, but it looks like this from inside. It looks so delicious, you guys. It looks so delicious and it smells even better. I just can't wait. Let's open this one and see how it looks. They have kind of the same opening, and yeah, they have the similar packaging also. So this one looks like this. These are the Unibic cookies, and let's open them as well. Okay. So this one also looks very similar to the Dark Fantasy one, and I'll just compare the size of the cookies for you guys. So as we can see, clearly Dark Fantasy cookies are bigger in size, and this is more of a darker brown shade and this is a lighter brown shade. Let's just see how they taste now. So we'll first try the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy cookies. So as you can see, there is this melted chocolate inside the cookie, And yeah, I love this cookie. I absolutely love this one, and that's no secret. So it definitely tastes amazing. It is slightly on the darker side and has very slight flavor of coffee to it. It's crumbly, it's soft, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Now let's have a sip of water and try the Unibic one. So this one again has chocolate filled inside it, but as you can compare, it is slightly thicker and has more chocolate than the Dark Fantasy one. So the Dark Fantasy one is wider in terms of its length, but then it is thicker and has more amount of chocolate, as you can see. Basically both the biscuits have 75 grams of product in it, so a little bit variation of size won't make a difference because the ultimate weight of the product is same. So talking about the final verdict of which one is better, Dark Fantasy Choco Fills or the Unibic Choco Kiss Cookies. So I feel the Dark Fantasy one, as I mentioned already, was way darker in its taste also, and had a slight flavor of coffee, whereas the Unibic Choco Cookies was more on the sweeter side as compared to Dark Fantasy. Both had the similar concept, both had equal amount of chocolate melted inside them, and they both tasted so yum. But the winner has to be one, and for me that would be the Dark Fantasy. Guys, this one hands down was the winner. Why? Because I am a dark chocolate fan. I liked its flavor more than the Unibic one. I understand and I get that I get Unibic one cheaper in the market when I buy it from DMart or something. But if seen otherwise, it's retails way expensive than the Dark Fantasy one. It's like 25% more expensive than that. And also in terms of flavors as well, Dark Fantasy was better. So it's cheaper, it's tastier, so it has to be the winner. I'm definitely not saying that Unibic ones are not good or I do not like them. I liked them a lot and I really feast on them so much more than the Dark Fantasy ones. But the Dark Fantasy seems to have this quality in the product which I cannot really define and pick a finger on it, but it's amazing and you should definitely try it. So guys, among these two we definitely have our winner, and it's the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Choco Fills. You should definitely give this one a try. And yes, that's it for today's video. Do let me know if you like such videos and you would want me to create more of such videos. Also let me know in the comments down below if you would want me to compare any other products for you guys, and I would love to do that for you. You can connect with me on my social media handles. The link for my social media handles would be given below. Do give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.